Hi guys, welcome back to my channel NCRT on Go. So, today I will discuss the extra questions of English from class 10th from the book First Flight, and the chapter here is very first chapter of your book, A Letter to God. The writer to the chapter is G.L. Fuentes. So, starting with the questions, here I have my very first question. Who was Lancho? What were his problems? Answer is Lancho was a very hardworking farmer who lived on the crest of a low hill. Crest means top of a low hill. And now, what were his problems? Due to the hailstorm, his crops were destroyed. So he needed money to sow his field again and for supporting his family. These were the main problems of Lancho. I have given you the question answers in a very easy language so that it will be easy for you to understand. In case any long or lengthy questions will be there, I will explain a bit more of that. Next question is, give a brief description of the view from Lancho's house. As we know that it was on the crest of a hill, it was on the top of a hill. So we have to explain the view. What kind of view he has from his house. Lancho's house was situated on the crest of a low hill and it was the only one in the valley. One could easily see the river and the field of ripe corn from here. Okay, so students, I have third question. What did Lancho compare the raindrops to and why? Answer is Lancho compared the raindrops to new coins because the crop needed the rain badly and it was a sign of good harvest. Good harvest meant prosperity for Lancho as he needed the money to fulfill his basic needs. I hope आपको समझ आ गया होगा. So guys, next question I have. Why did Lancho write a letter to God? Answer is, when Lancho's crops were completely destroyed by the hailstorm, he wrote a letter to God because God was the only hope in his despair. I have mentioned the meaning of despair for you. Despair means complete loss of hope. When there was no hope, God was the only hope for Lancho. So he wrote a letter to God demanding for money. Lancho asked him to send 100 pesos to sow his field again and support his family. He asked the god that please give me 100 pesos so that I would be able to sow the crop again and support my family. Next question is, why and how did the postmaster help Lancho? As postmaster received his letter, he read the letter. He was very much impressed by Lancho's faith in God, so he decided to help Lancho. So the proper answer to the question is, the postmaster did not want Lancho's faith in God to be shaken, so he asked his employees and friends to help Lancho. वो नहीं चाहता था कि लैंचो का विश्वास भगवान में डगमगाए, कि उसका विश्वास ना उठ जाए भगवान से. तो he thought I should help. He asked his co-colleagues or employees to help Lancho. So they all contributed a little bit of their salary and they gave the whole amount to the Lancho. Next question we have, how much money did Lancho need? How much did he get? It's an important question कि उसने कितने पैसे की डिमांड की थी लेटर में और उसे कितने पैसे मिले. आंसर इज Lancho got 70 pesos. He was angry at the difference as he needed 100 pesos to sow the crops again and to support his family till the next harvest. He demanded for 100 pesos but employees were able to collect only 70 pesos. उनकी भी फैमिली थी, वो जितना इकट्ठा कर पाए उन्होंने उतना इकट्ठा करके लैंचो को प्रोवाइड कर दिया. बट वो उन सब के ऊपर बहुत गुस्सा था. वो उल्टा उन्हीं के ऊपर से गुस्सा आया कि हो सकता है कि पोस्ट ऑफिस के एम्प्लॉयज़ ने ही कुछ पैसा निकाल लिया हो, बिकॉज उसे नहीं पता था कि एक्चुअल में गॉड ने नहीं पोस्ट ऑफिस के जो एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं, इन द आई कैन से डिस्गाइज ऑफ गॉड, उन्होंने उसे ये पैसे दिए हैं. सो गाइज, आई हैव नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, like why did Lancho not want the money to be sent through mail? अब दे आर आस्किंग यू कि लेंचो क्यों नहीं चाहता था कि जो नेक्स्ट मनी का जो नेक्स्ट है इंस्टॉलमेंट है वो उसे मेल के थ्रू आए, बिकॉज समवेयर इन हिज माइंड ही हैड अ डाउट दैट एम्प्लॉयज took out the money the god had sent him earlier. So answer to the question is, Lancho wrote in his second letter that he received only 70 pesos but he needed 100 pesos. He requested God not to send rest of the money by post, since the post office employees were a bunch of crooks. Bunch of crooks means they are like very clever people and would steal the money. So he didn't want the God to send money through the mail. So students, we have next question. Do you think that Lancho was right to call the post office employees a bunch of crooks? Why or why not? According to my opinion, it was his wrong thought that employees of the post office are a bunch of crooks. They are the actual people who had helped him in his, I can say, bad situation. But because Lancho was unaware of this fact, that's why he was saying employees as a bunch of crooks. Answer to the question is, Lancho called the post office employees a bunch of crooks as he did not get full money that he had demanded. उसने 100 pesos डिमांड किए थे but he got only 70 pesos. Then he couldn't believe that God had sent him any less money, so he doubted these people. उसे विश्वास ही नहीं हुआ कि भगवान से उसने 100 पैसों मांगे थे और उसे सिर्फ 70 पैसों मिले. भगवान कभी भी मतलब कम पैसे नहीं उसे भेज सकते. उसे इतना ज़्यादा विश्वास था भगवान के ऊपर. सो उसे एट द एंड ऑफ द डे उसे किस पर डाउट हुआ? पोस्ट ऑफिस के एम्प्लॉयज़ पर. बट ही वॉज नॉट राइट टू कॉल दैम अ बंच ऑफ क्रॉक्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नेक्स्ट वी हैव some of the long questions. Actually you all know that आप लोग 10th standard में हैं, so आपके एग्ज़ाम में 8 marks के questions भी आते हैं. So it's important that you all have understanding of questions as per 8 marks. So I will explain properly all these questions so that whenever you will revise, you all have deep understanding of these questions and you will be able to write properly in your exams. So what is very first question? Who was Lancho and what circumstances forced him to write a letter to God? अब यहाँ पे हमें सारी सिचुएशन एक्सप्लेन करनी है. आंसर इज, Lancho was a hard-working farmer who lived with his family on a crest of a low hill. He was very caring and God-loving man. He has a deep faith in God. Though he was a farmer, he could read and write, means he was literate. Lancho eagerly waited for the rainfall in order to get good harvest and he became happy when it came. Okay, वो खुश हो गया जब rainfall आई, but the pleasing rain changed into a hailstorm and destroyed his crop. Hailstorm you all know कि बर्फ का तूफान आ गया. He became sad and was worried about his family as they might remain hungry that year, because उस साल अगर उसकी क्रॉप ख़राब ही हो गई थी हेलस्टॉर्म के कारण, तो उस पूरे साल उसकी फैमिली क्या खाएगी. ही वॉज वरिड अबाउट दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग. सो हिज लास्ट होप वॉज द हेल्प फ्रॉम गॉड एज ही हैड अ कंप्लीट फेथ इन हिम. हेंस ही रोट अ लेटर टू गॉड आस्किंग हिम टू सेंड 100 pesos to survive and harvest the crop again. So as a result उसने गॉड को एक लेटर लिखा जिसमें उसने 100 pesos की डिमांड की, so that he would be able to harvest his crop again and support his family. So students, we have our next question. Give a character sketch of Lancho. This is like very important question from exam point of view. So answer is, Lancho was a simple man and a hard-working farmer. He worked as an ox in his field, means he was very hard-working as an ox. Lancho's entire crops were badly destroyed by the hailstorm, so he became very sad as he was worried about his family. He was an optimistic person. Here we have mentioned his quality that he was optimistic, although the entire crop was destroyed by hailstorm, but still he didn't lose hope. He strongly believed that God will definitely help him. Although his only source of living was taken away, he didn't lose hope. He had his last hope in God. He was confident that God would help him in his distress. Lancho was an innocent theist. Theist means a person who has strong belief in God, who didn't know that there was no such living person as God who could send him money. वह इतना ज़्यादा इनोसेंट था, इनोसेंट मतलब भोला था, कि उसे भगवान पर इतना ज़्यादा विश्वास था, वह ये जानता ही नहीं था कि गॉड एक्चुअल में कोई लिविंग पर्सन नहीं है जो उसे मनी भेज देंगे. He had blind faith in God and sought solution of his problems from God only. So students, our next question is, how did the postmaster and post office employees help Lancho? How did he react to their help? Answer is, the postmaster and post office employees were very generous. Generous means very kind, as they contributed for the act of charity. First, they laughed when they saw Lancho's letter to God, but soon they were impressed by his faith in God. सबसे पहले जब उन्होंने लेटर पढ़ा तो वो हंसे उस पर कि कैसे ये भगवान को लेटर लिख रहा है कि प्लीज़ मुझे पैसे भेज दो. बट लेटर ऑन यह देखकर कि इसको भगवान में कितना विश्वास है, उन्होंने उसकी मदद करनी चाहिए. They decided to send some money to Lancho so that his faith in God does not get shaken. They collected 70 pesos and sent it to Lancho. When Lancho got the envelope and opened it to count money, he became angry. अब उसने 100 पैसोस की डिमांड की थी, लेकिन जितना एम्प्लॉयज़ कर सकते थे वो सिर्फ 70 पैसोस ही भेज सके. तो जैसे ही लैंचो ने एनवेलप खोला तो उसने पैसे गिने तो उसे गुस्सा आ गया. He again wrote a letter to God demanding the remaining 30 pesos. He thought that post office employees had taken away the remaining money and called them a bunch of crooks, which was not justified at all, as they were the people who had helped him. But it shows his innocence and firm faith in God. एक्चुअल में उसने एक सेकंड लेटर लिखा जिसमें उसने गॉड को लिखा कि प्लीज़ आप मुझे रिमेनिंग 30 पैसोस भेज दीजिए, बिकॉज जो पोस्ट ऑफिस के एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं वो चीटर्स हैं. क्रॉक्स मतलब चीटर्स हैं वो, और उन्होंने कहीं ना कहीं मेरे पैसे निकाल दिए, जबकि ये उसका गलत विश्वास था, बिकॉज दे वर द एक्चुअल पीपल हु हैड हेल्प्ड हिम इन दैट सिचुएशन. So students, next I have mentioned a statement type question, because exams में statement type questions भी आ जाते हैं. Question is, humanity still exists. This is what we get to know after reading a letter to God, in which firm faith in God of a poor farmer and helpfulness of post office employees are aptly depicted. Thought, write a paragraph on the values in it in about 80 to 100 words. Give the paragraph a suitable title. आज के टाइम में हमें पता है कि people are very selfish. Nobody is ready to help anyone. But still कहीं ना कहीं humanity still exists. अभी भी लोग एक दूसरे की मदद करते हैं. तो आपको एक पैराग्राफ लिखना है जिसमें आपको इस चैप्टर से क्या वैल्यूज़ मिलती हैं वो लिखना है और एक सूटेबल टाइटल देना है. सो टाइटल वी विल गिव एज एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी, एंड द पैराग्राफ स्टार्ट्स विद, आफ्टर रीडिंग अ लेटर टू गॉड आवर फेथ इन ह्यूमैनिटी स्टिर्स फॉर स्ट्रॉन्ग. लाइक जो मेरा विश्वास था कि हाँ जो ह्यूमैनिटी है अभी भी एग्जिस्ट करती है वो और भी ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गया. We learn from the story that there still are people who help others without any self-interest. The postmaster and the post office employees lay an example for every one of us to be kind. Though they all laughed at his letter, they were really moved by the grip of faith Lancho had in God. The way they all decided to help the stranger in his hard times restores our faith in the existence of humanity and motivates us to be a noble and kind person. एक्चुअली में लैंचो ना तो उनका कोई फ्रेंड था ना रिलेटिव था. ही वॉज ऑल अननोन फॉर देम, बट स्टिल अननोन होते हुए भी उन्होंने उसकी मदद की विदाउट एनी सेल्फ मोटिव. ठीक है, तो इससे हमारा बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीव हो गया कि हमें भी ऐसे ही लोगों की मदद करनी चाहिए, हमें भी नोबल और काइंड होना चाहिए. इफ़ वी हैव समथिंग एक्स्ट्रा वी शुड गिव टू अदर्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट्स आई हैव. Describe Lancho's qualities in light of his faith in God. Do you have faith in God like Lancho? Was Lancho's reaction towards post office employees right? आपको बताना है कि क्या लैंचो की क्वालिटीज़, कि वो भगवान में जैसे विश्वास करता था, क्या आप भी वैसा ही विश्वास करते हो, और क्या उसका एम्प्लॉयज़ के बारे में ऐसा सोचना सही था. आंसर इज लैंचो वॉज अ poor farmer who totally depended on the harvest to survive and fulfill basic needs of his family. Once his crops were destroyed due to heavy rainfall and hailstones, and he was afraid to think how his family would survive. He believed that God would help him in this plight. He had firm faith in God. He believed that God would not let him be hungry. भगवान उसे भूखा मरने नहीं देंगे. Nowadays, faith in God like Lancho is almost impossible and unseen. आज के टाइम में इतना ज़्यादा विश्वास किसी को नहीं है भगवान के ऊपर. रेयरली वी सी सच टाइप ऑफ बिलीफ. पीपल आर वेरी मच अवेयर दैट नोबडी इज विलिंग टू हेल्प अदर्स विदाउट एनी सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट. Lancho's reaction towards post office employees was not right or justified because it was just because of his innocence, as he could not believe that God had not done such a mistake. It were only the post office employees who had stolen money according to him. आज के टाइम में सब लोग जानते हैं कि कोई भी किसी सेल्फ मोटिव के बिना किसी की मदद नहीं करता, और लैंचो का ये मानना बहुत ही स्ट्रेंज सी थिंग थी कि भगवान कभी भी उसे कम पैसे नहीं भेज सकते, जबकि भगवान कोई लिविंग पर्सन है नहीं जो उसे पैसे भेजेंगे. तो उसका सीधा शक किस पर गया? पोस्ट ऑफिस के एम्प्लॉयज़ पर, बिकॉज वो मानता था कि आज के टाइम में कोई किसी की मदद नहीं करता, भगवान मेरी मदद ज़रूर कर देंगे, लेकिन पोस्ट ऑफिस के एम्प्लॉयज़ कभी भी मदद नहीं करेंगे किसी की, और जो पैसा है वो भी उन्होंने ही निकाल लिया हो. सो गाइज, आई होप you liked my video. Thank you so much for watching. For further extra questions of your next chapters, please do like and share to my videos. Also do subscribe my channel so that you will get notification whenever I will upload a new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.